live in Chicago, and I just ran to Sizzling Slot Jackpots. How you guys doing? Doing great. Hey, you guys ready to get some food? Sponsors. Where are those hearts? Welcome our newest YouTube sponsor, John Willis. All right, John Climax, good luck. Well, thank you, John. Oh, can you imagine right off the get-go? That'd be nice. Oh, look at these size of these chips, too. Bigger ones than usual. Oh, look at that, J Money. Give me the Valentine's Day early bonus.
Justin Mears, new member, welcome.
Welcome, Justin, our newest YouTube sponsor, and welcome all the YouTube sponsors in the house. Code Menace, $2 super chat. Good luck, Raja. Hashtag Code Menace, new slot channel. Good luck, Code Menace, with your slot channel. Always best of luck to all the slot channels out there. And thank you, all the slot channels, for all your support of the Big Jackpot. Always watching, having teams on our Big Jackpot slot app. We appreciate it very much. All the support that you show us. Welcome our newest Patreon member, Rick, just signed up. Welcome, Rick. And we are going to have Patreon play tonight. Right after I get my biggest boom ever on Heartthrob Lightning Link. So why do people like this one so much? They said the bonus round is that great? I can't remember it being a... Oh, that's right. Yeah, the 2s and the 3s. But that's what Tiki Torch does too. It's like pulling teeth to get a bonus on this thing. Come on. I told you, it's like pulling teeth. You guys look, T's missing a tooth. Welcome, Jonathan, our newest YouTube member. He must have signed up because he wants to see Boot Scoot Bootin'. Boot Scooter Bootin'. Yes. All right, come on.
Where's the multiplier?
Vincente Gonzalez slot channel in the house, and Vincente will be at Slotfest East, I think.
Everybody's welcome. Come out.
Make sure, Vicente, that Brian gets you approved to film too while you're there. Come on, nothing else. What happened here? Wow, brutal. But I love this game. Not much. Thank God for the mini bonus for $100. Would have been really bad. Not bad, $4.75. John Climax, $2 super chat. What did I say? I don't know. What did you say? Huh?
Is
Is that why we dropped subscribers now? What happened? Yeah.
I think it's this area.
No, it's fine. It's just like after an hour it keeps having on his phone. Is it still out? Yeah, it's like something around that same time mark every time on this phone. Well, at least we know it's not the Lodge Wi-Fi. We can whirl that one out. Now it's either the phone or YouTube. Any other channels watching? Your phone goes out after 53 minutes continually. Remember, it used to just stop working after 50. Like we used to have that issue. Come on, let's see it here. Show me the Valentine's Day early bonus. Dan Schaefer, you missed a boom. That's what happens when you leave the feed. One more. Yes!
Hey,
all right.
Spins. All right.
All right. Show me the moon. nice up front. Jeez.
Diamonds or multipliers.
Like nothing? Yes. Oh, that's big. That's got to be good. One more. 10s all the way across. That's a big one.
Hey, Scott.
Hey.
We got some money for you.
Good. Thank you.
And a 1.
Just a hand pay
Two,
team?
and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 24 to 60, 85, 6, 7, 18.
Thank you.
Nice.
Trouble Droid Jackson, $2 super chat. Hello, fellas. Good luck tonight. Thank you,
Like
Trouble Droid.
$800.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck, Scott.
Thanks.
I think it's like $900.
Good. How much is it?
900.
Yeah, we're already at
Yeah,
700.
700 is like 9, maybe 1,000 even.
It's something. Where's that Chico math calculators? Boom, boom, boom. Come on.
900.
Yeah.
Come on, now hand pay. Yes.
That's a good one. Another 600. 60 more dollars. Final spin. Not bad. $970 bonus. That was a good one. Take it. There's all those Chico math calculators. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. Hearts, hearts, moons. We don't care as long as it has money signs in it. As long as it has numbers in it. Ah.
World's famous chip now is on the way. Should be here any minute. Surprise guest for everybody.
Newest Chippendale's coming.
Yeah.
It must be. Is it coming with the slot ladies?
Come on.
Minor minis.
Oh, please.
Huh? Queens for days. $80.
Come on.
Ah. Simon's getting away. 5,000. Yeah, we're.
Get it now.
Come on. Just tuning in. You're watching the Big Jackpot live. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Click that gray bell so you get notifications when we go live. Don't forget, tonight, Patreon play. Welcome all our new Patreon members. About 8 of them tonight. One more.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah,
Major. 600. And a mini 100. All right. That's something, T.
Yes. Fine.
You got me all excited that we were playing that game when the major was like 10 grand. I hit the major the other night, maxed out. Come on.
Come on.
$25 spins. All right. Another 75 bucks.
Big numbers. Yes.
Ooh, 100.
Big numbers. I seen another minor and a major.
All right. Another 50. Anything's better than the 25s.
Big numbers. Come on. Make it count.
Yes, all right.
Yes.
Back in business.
Yes.
All right. Back in business.
Come on, make it count.
Ah.
Still good.
Yeah, it's like 900 again.
Yeah. Ooh, we started off with a major.
I hope not.
11,
Thank God. Perfect.
11:31.
Perfect. 11:31. Perfect. Boom, 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 and T wins bathroom. What the heck goes on in your bathroom, boy? Nice, I like it. A little Heartthrob love. All right, how about some free games? $25 bets. Let's see it now. Ah, I thought I saw it on the moon.
Big numbers. Ooh, yes.
That's a good one. How much do you think it is? $185. Ah. Big shout to the mod squad, best mods in the business. They've done an incredible job tonight. I haven't had one negative comment, all positive. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a good start. It's because the mod squad has been doing such a great job at keeping it positive for me tonight.
Yep.
Mr. Classic TV 1980, $1.11 super chat. Minnie.
Come on. Yes.
All right, 25s. Keep the spins coming. This is my year to hit a grand. I've never hit a grand on anything yet.
I'm in.
Don't even care how much it's for. I just want to hit one on a machine. All right, that's okay. Some decent numbers. Especially for the fact we got it so soon. It didn't make me wait like $2,000 later to give me 500. Not bad, a little something. 600 and bucks, 600 smackaroos. Boom, boom, boom. I love this game. Did I ever tell you guys how much I love it? Look who it
The
is.
world's renowned Chippendale.
Oh man.
Welcome. It's been so. What's going on? How you guys doing? It's been so slow tonight. The mod squads, I give them the night off. They've been furloughed. And Daniel Tran from the mod squad here in person. It's not Bonsai. A lot of people thought it was Bonsai. Is that Bonsai?
We got the world's famous Chippendale.
Oh man.
Yeah, you have to tell us. T was telling me. I didn't even realize you tore it all over with the Chippendales back in the day.
Oh yeah.
Tell 'em about it.
I
Let everybody know.
used to.